Hello dear students, welcome to social science class. So chapter number 2, latitude and longitude. It's for class 5th, part 6. See here, today's topic is the difficult words and pronunciation. So in previous part 5, we have completed difficult words and pronunciation. And today I am explaining about that remaining words. Okay students, see here. So next words I am continuing here. So next word is today's topic's first spelling. Okay, actually 15 spellings are completed. So today's number is 16. Okay, see here students. D-E-G-R-E-E. Degree. And next spelling is T-R-O-P-I-C. Tropic. And next one C-A-N-C-E-R. Cancer. And next one C-A-P-R-I-C-O-N. Capricorn. And next A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic. And next one A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C. Antarctic. And next one C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. So next spelling, see here, I-N-D-I-C-A-T-O-R. Indicator. So next spelling, M-E-R-I-D-I-A-N. Meridian. So next one, P-R-I-M-E. Prime. E-A-S-T-E-R-N. Eastern. So next one, W-E-S-T-E-R-N. Western. I-N-T-E-R-N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. International. G-R-I-D. Grid. So next spelling, A-C-C-U-R-A-T-E-L-Y. Accurately. So next one, P-A-S-S-E-S. Passes. So next spelling, P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Position. So next one, A-P-P-R-O-X-I-M-A-T-E-L-Y. Approximately. So next one, C-A-L-C-U-L-A-T-I-N-G. Calculating. And next one, M-E-R-I-D-I-E-Yam. Meridian. Okay students, today's spellings. So first spelling is here. See here. how to read this spelling. D-E-G-R-E-E, degree. How to pronounce this? Degree. Okay. In this lesson, latitude and longitudes, you have learnt about degrees. Means some latitudes and longitudes are measured in degrees. Okay. That the spelling is there here, degree. D-E-G-R-E-E. How to pronounce this? Degree. Okay. And next one, see here. Next spelling is there. T-R-O-P-I-C. Tropic. T-R-O-P-I-C. Tropic. And afterwards you see here next spelling. C-A-N-C-E-R. Cancer. Means you have learnt Tropic of Cancer in this chapter. See here students. So this is the model of Earth, and see here, this is the equator, and here in northern hemisphere, Tropic of Cancer located. In northern hemisphere, the Tropic of Cancer located here. Okay, the tropic spelling is there, T-R-O-P-I-C, tropic. Next, C-A-N-C-E-R, Cancer. This is the Tropic of Cancer. And next one you see, C-A-P-R-I-C-O-N, Capricorn. So this is a Tropic of Capricorn actually. Okay. So you have learnt in the southern hemisphere, the Tropic of Capricorn located here. In southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn located here. And Tropic of Cancer on the northern hemisphere. Okay. So next one, A-R-C-T-I-C, Arctic. You know that Arctic. So Arctic is located on the North Pole. Here, Arctic located here. And next one, A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C, Antarctica. Antarctic. See here, in the South Pole. In the South Pole, the Antarctica circle located and Arctic circle located in North Pole. Okay, these are the spellings of Arctic and Antarctic. Okay, and next one you see here, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. You know that circle, Antarctic circle, okay, and Arctic circle. Okay, and next one you see, I-N-D-I-C-A-T-O-R, indicator. Indicator, it's located that. Indicates means indicates the place that. Okay, so this is the indicator. And next one, M-E-R-I-D-I-A-N, meridian. Okay, see here, meridian means what here? See here, some we have learnt in this chapter longitudes. Okay, so longitudes are meridians. Longitudes are meridians. That meridian spelling, see here, M-E-R-I-D-I-A-N, meridian. Okay, and next one, P-R-I-M-E, prime. You know that prime meridian. So some North Pole to South Pole, one line passes here. This is the Greenwich. It is the Greenwich. Okay, so it passes through the London. So this line is what is prime meridian. It is the prime meridian. Understood? Okay. And next one, EASTERN. Eastern. Eastern means what? Some longitudes. So these longitudes are divided into, the earth is divided into two parts, two hemispheres. Okay? And this part is called that Eastern Hemisphere. So that Eastern spelling is there here. EASTERN. Eastern. And next one, WESTERN. Western. Okay. And Western means, so these two types means the earth is divided into two hemispheres. One is Eastern Hemisphere and other is Western Hemisphere. That Western spelling is there here. WESTERN. Western. Okay. And next one you see spelling here. INTERNATIONAL. International. What is this? International. And next one, GRID. Grid. Grid means, you know, students. So the earth is located here, longitudes and latitudes. Okay. And when longitudes and latitudes intersect each other, okay, and you see here some squares are there here. These are the grid. These are the grid. So that grid spelling is there here. GRID. Grid. Okay. And next you see accurately. Okay. ACCURATELY. Accurately means what? Correct. Accurate. This is accurate place. Okay. And next spelling, PASSES. Passes. You know, students, some Greenwich means it is the prime meridian. The Greenwich is passes through the London. Okay. That passes spelling PASSES. Passes. Okay. Next spelling, position. Position spelling what? POSITION. Position. Position means what? Some place are positioned there. Position means here fixed placed. Okay. Next one, APPROXIMATELY. Approximately. Approximately means what? So when we are measured degrees, that we know that equator is a 0 degree. Okay. And the North Pole is 180 degree. Okay. So this like approximately something this measured in that degrees, latitudes and longitudes. And next one, CALCULATING. Calculating. So what? Calculating. So we have learnt calculate the time zone. We have learnt in this lesson calculate the time zone. Okay. And next one is there here, MERIDIAN. Meridian. Meridian means what? So we have learnt in calculating time zone PM and AM. AM means what? Ante-meridian. It is the before noon. And PM means post-meridian. It is the afternoon. That spelling is there here, meridian. Okay, students, see here once again. Degree, tropic, Cancer, Capricorn, Arctic, Antarctica, circle, indicator, meridian, prime, Eastern, Western, International, great, accurately, passes, position, approximately, calculating and meridian. Okay students, today's topic completed here. So you have write each spelling 5 times, okay, and read it daily, these all spellings. After completing your homework, send it my WhatsApp number. So next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.